Case study: General Cleaning Contractors versus Christmas. Introduction. General Cleaning Contractors versus Christmas is a seminal case that explores the complexities of contract law, specifically the doctrine of frustration. The case involves a dispute between General Cleaning Contractors, the plaintiff, and Christmas, the defendant, regarding the frustration of a contract due to unforeseen circumstances. Set in the post-World War II era, this case illustrates the application of legal principles in the face of economic and social challenges. Background. In the aftermath of World War II, Britain faced significant economic upheaval, with shortages of labor and resources impacting various industries. In this context, General Cleaning Contractors entered into a contract with Christmas to clean a building within a specified time frame. However, unforeseen delays caused by labor shortages and material scarcity hindered the completion of the project, leading to disputes between the parties. Parties involved. General Cleaning Contractors, the plaintiff, was a cleaning company contracted to perform services for Christmas, the defendant, the owner of the building. Both parties had vested interest in the successful completion of the contract, albeit from different perspectives. Legal issue. The central legal issue in General Cleaning Contractors versus Christmas revolved around the doctrine of frustration. Specifically, the court had to determine whether the unforeseen delays and difficulties encountered during the performance of the contract constituted grounds for frustration, thereby relieving the parties of their contractual obligations. Procedural history. Before reaching the appellate court, General Cleaning Contractors and Christmas likely engaged in negotiations and lower court proceedings to resolve their disputes. The case eventually reached the House of Lords, where it was heard by the highest appellate authority in the British legal system. Arguments. General Cleaning Contractors argued that the unforeseen delays and labor shortages constituted circumstances beyond their control, rendering the contract impossible to perform. They contended that frustration had occurred, relieving them of their contractual obligations. Conversely, Christmas argued that the delays were foreseeable and did not amount to frustration. They sought to hold General Cleaning Contractors accountable for breach of contract. The House of Lords engaged in a thorough analysis of the circumstances surrounding the contract and the applicability of the doctrine of frustration. The court considered the nature of the unforeseen events, their impact on the contract's performance, and the foreseeability of such events at the time of contracting. The court also examined the language and intent of the contract to ascertain the parties' obligations. Decision. In its decision, the House of Lords ruled in favor of General Cleaning Contractors, holding that frustration had occurred. The court determined that the unforeseen delays and labor shortages constituted events beyond the parties' control, rendering the contract impossible to perform. Consequently, the parties were discharged from their contractual obligations and General Cleaning Contractors was not liable for breach of contract. Impact. General Cleaning Contractors v. Christmas had a significant impact on contract law, particularly regarding the doctrine of frustration. The case clarified the circumstances under which frustration could occur and the consequences thereof. It provided guidance on how courts should assess unforeseen events and their impact on contractual obligations, thereby shaping future interpretations of frustration in contract law. Conclusion. In conclusion, General Cleaning Contractors v. Christmas serves as a landmark case in contract law jurisprudence. By elucidating the principles of frustration and their application in the context of post-war economic challenges, the case provided clarity and guidance to courts and parties navigating similar contractual disputes. As such, the case continues to be cited and relied upon in contract law discussions, reaffirming the importance of legal principles in resolving complex contractual issues. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.